In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play War Thunder VR on Oculus Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. War Thunder is available as a standard game with no VR capabilities, but as long as you have a headset connected to your PC while running the game, it is going to switch into VR mode automatically. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to properly set all of this up. The only things that you will need to download are going to be Steam VR, so you can find this available on the Steam store for free. So download Steam VR, and next download the MetaQuest Link application. So on Google, look for MetaQuest Link app and then download it from the official website. Once you have Steam VR and the MetaQuest Link app good to go, then now you have to connect your headset to your PC. There are two main ways of doing this. The one that I recommend is using a high quality USB-C cable, and Meta or Oculus, whatever you want to call them, actually has the link cable, which is designed specifically for this. It is going to be suited for using your game while connected to a PC, or playing your game while connected to a PC, but of course you can use any standard high quality USB-C cable. The other option is going to be AirLink. This one relies on an internet connection. I would not recommend this unless your internet connection is extremely good, because any sort of instability will affect the game experience and it can introduce a lot of latency, but you can choose whichever one you prefer. Now on the MetaQuest Link application, sign into your account, choose devices at the left side of the screen, and then add headset. This will allow you to connect your headset through the MetaQuest Link app. So you choose the proper headset, Quest 3, and you follow the instructions here, link or wireless, and then they are going to tell you what to do. But basically, you need to enable Quest Link. So now, on your headset screen, make sure that Quest Link is good to go. Usually, there will be a pop-up as soon as you connect it using a cable. But if you use AirLink, then you will have to manually enable it from here. Now, once you connect it to your PC, it is going to give you this PC VR environment. So you will see this white screen, this white environment, and then a control panel right in front of you. What you have to do now is access your desktop and run Steam VR. So you can either choose one of your monitors from this environment. So you choose desktop and then you launch Steam VR, or you open your Steam library on your computer and launch it yourself. When you go back into the headset, it is going to switch into the Steam VR environment, and under your recent apps or your library, you will find War Thunder. And if you launch War Thunder through the Steam VR environment, you will be able to play in virtual reality. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.